Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your English teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book of Junior English 1. Open page number 59. First of all, prepare page like this way. What date is today? Today is Wednesday, 20th January 2021. Today our topic is collections. Today our topic is collection. What is meaning of collections? Collections mean a group of things, people or animals. Collection means a group of things, people or animals. This is collection of people and this is collection of thing, and this in here is a collection of animals. Question A part is given here. Use the pictures to help you fill in the gaps. You will have to fill the gaps after seeing these pictures. A box of, this word box is showing that there is a collection of something. There is a collection of, what is it? This is chocolates. There is a collections of chocolates. You will write here. These are chocolates. There are more than one chocolate. Here is a group of, a collection of chocolates. Number 2 is a crowd of this. We can see boys, girls, women, men, women. You can see young, old. These are called people. This is a crowd. This is a crowd. We will write, this word is crowd. Crowd is showing a crowd of people. 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 Next one is, look at here. These are flowers. These are flowers. A collection of flowers. A bunch. This is bunch. This is called a bunch. There are many flowers. There is a group of, there is a collection of flowers. A bunch of, look at here. This is flowers. A bunch of flowers. Flowers. Number 4th is a clump of, this is, what is it? These are trees. These are trees. This is a collection of trees. TREES, trees. A clump of trees. Next one is, this is collection of cards. A pack of this nouns tells us about this group of, this collection of cards. What are these? This is a pack of cards. CARDS, cards. A set of, these are tools. We use, like, we use hammer, we use saw, we use spanner, we use different kinds of things. These are called tools. This is a collection of tools. So we will write here a set of tools. TOOLS, tools. Next one is, you are seeing picture of animals. This is, well, these are elephants. These are elephants. So this is a collection of elephants. This is a group of elephants. A herd is showing that there is a collection of elephants. There are more animals than one. A herd of, you write here, elephants. ELEPHANTS, elephants. ELEPHANTS, elephants. A herd of elephants. Next one is number 8. 8 is here. A flock. Flock word is showing a flock of, look at these are sheep. A flock of sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Let's start B part. What are the missing words? You will have to write the missing words. A dash of flowers. We are using some nouns have a special name when they are in group. These are nouns. These are common nouns. So we can say some common nouns have a special name when they are in group. This word is in group. A dash of flowers, a bunch, bunch. This bunch is showing that we are talking about a collection, we are talking about a group. A dash of elephant, a herd, HERD. Herd is showing a collection of elephant. A dash cars, a dash of cars, a set of cars. A dash of people. Crowd is telling about a group of people. A crowd of people. A dash of sheep. Flock is showing a group of sheep. FLOCK. A dash of trees. A clump is telling us about a group of trees, a collection of trees. This is a noun that is showing about collection of trees. A dash of chocolates, a box of chocolates. Next one is a dash of tools, a set, SET, set of tools. Okay students, we can say a collective noun is a word that is used to name a group of people, animals or things. You can check it again. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. I am showing you this again. Today you will have to complete this page of collections. Today you will have to complete page number 59 of collections on book. After doing this work, you will have to write part B in notebook of English grammar. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.